my channel where we're all about leveling up, elevating, and living our absolute best lives. And in relation to that, part of that is being a property owner. So today's video is all about checking out Victoria International Garden, which is located here in Naguru on Naguru Hill. I love hills, I love views, I just love all of that, and this is a very prime location. So this video is going to be super informative on how you can live for 160,000 USD in a 3 to 4 bedroom apartment right in Kampala. So just for reference, I did like a 5-minute search on what you can actually get with $160,000, where most of my viewers are from. Basically in New York, you're going to be getting like a 1960s apartment, 1 bedroom standard, probably renovated in the 80s kind of thing. And it would be located in northwestern Queens, wherever and however far that is from everything. In London, if you want to be like close to liveliness and like life, you're getting 25% of a share of a condo. Like, I was like, are you mad? Absolutely not. And in Canada, you're pretty much living in nowhere for 160,000 USD. So the building is going to have full amenities from a pool to a gym. There's also going to be a 2-floor parking available, as well as a little motel area just in case you have guests who do want to stay and maybe you don't have the space, or you just want to have a whole bunch of people over. They're able to stay on the property as well. Let's go. So we're just headed here to the main office where you can get all your information about the packages that they have and everything. So I'm here on site. They're showing me all the construction. I have a construction hat and my coronavirus mask. But I'm really, I'm very, very, very impressed. I just saw a partially complete unit and they're going to show me another one. So I saw the penthouse one, but I wanted to show you guys one that is more affordable and related to the $160,000 to $175,000 price point. And yeah, I just can't get over the views. You guys know me and views is everything. Like, I just can't get over it. So I'm in love. Who's buying this for me? Comment below who's buying these units for me. Private lift that will bring you right to your personal balcony. You can put your shoe rack out here, a little chair, have a little view before you head into your house. And you are able to use a fingerprint, guys. How bougie, I love it. Or a code to access as well. So this 3-bedroom unit, you'll be able to walk in from the door, and this will be your living space. The kitchen, 1 balcony which looks out to the courtyard. So if you have children, like I said earlier, and whatnot, you can watch them, you can work out here as well, and there'll be a gym there. And Naguru skies, where I gym. So convenient. And the second balcony is headed over there. So this is the kitchen unit. Open kitchen, open concept, gorgeous countertops. You guys know how much I like all white. And then my favorite part is the view. Oh my god, you guys, can you imagine not worrying about neighbors really? You do have your neighbor there, but that's okay. It's one person. No one's yelling. Nothing crazy. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This video is brought to you by Bachazi, your #1 source for all things in Uganda. Simply type in Bachazi in Instagram, click on their profile, and you're able to see so many options of various businesses in Uganda. When you click the link in the bio and put in your email, you'll be notified with way more features in the coming months. And you get a chance to win some really dope prizes like some trips and electronics, depending on how many friends you share with. So share with 7 and you get a chance to win it all. Good luck, everyone. This also heads to or shares the same balcony as one of the bedrooms. So this would be a beautiful beauty room for me in the office. This is gorgeous. Yes, definitely a guest room as well. And you get full closet access, which is big for me. And And it brings you back to the kitchen. So there isn't a light yet, but the shower unit will be glass as well. You have your toilet and the sink area. This is the master bedroom. It's very decent size, for sure. And the walk-in closet. Love it, floor to ceiling, and you're able to put all the things up there that you don't normally wear. Your vacation clothing. And obviously, the best part, your private little balcony for yourself and whomever you want to live with in this 3-bedroom. For me, this is enough space for just me. I'll host y'all one day. Gorgeous. Okay. So I'm here in the 3rd bedroom, which is gorgeous. Little study. I'll show you guys around. So as you walk in to the 3rd bedroom, it's like a good study size. You have the closet on the right hand side. There's a closet. And the windows. And as noted, it's such a quiet neighborhood that if it wasn't for the construction, you really wouldn't hear anything. And the breeze is everything up here because you're on top of the hill. And stepping out of the 3rd bedroom, you find the washroom here. And this is the washroom that would be shared with the 2nd bedroom. And the bathroom, and obviously like the glass barrier will go up as well. We're out here on the balcony, and you guys, I need this apartment. This is so gorgeous, this views and everything. So this particular unit, because the price goes up depending on what floor you're on, so this particular unit would be 183,000 USD, which I think is really phenomenal, especially because of the location. You're in Naguru, you're on top of a hill, like what more does anybody want? So this one is a 4-bedroom unit. As you can see that the kitchen is set up a bit differently. This particular unit goes for 187,000 USD, and it is 4 bedrooms, just to restate again. And also just to mention how the payment plans work. So obviously, if you do a lump sum, like anywhere, you'll get a better price for your buck. However, you can do it in installments, but the whole payment has to be made within a year's time. So that's something to consider as well in comparison to the West. So this is the master bedroom for the 4-bedroom unit. And what I love is that they're all L-shaped when you get a 4-bedroom unit, and you got a little nook. But guys, look at this. It's just green. All the trees, all these gorgeous hills, the clouds, like this is wonderful. This is well worth it. So this is going to be a ground floor apartment, and you'll have easy access to the courtyard out there, which will have plenty for exercise and children, a little park, a gym, and everything. So essentially, this is where people will be able to play with their children, and park space is such a rarity in Kampala, so this is definitely needed. And this area here with this little roadway will be tracks, so you could work out and be fit. And just back there is Naguru skies, which is amazing. All the units that are going to be available will be 3 and 4 bedroom units. I think that the prices are really good. Mind you, I don't really know much about the Uganda market. I'm learning just as much as you guys as I post these videos. But in comparison to abroad and what you can get for 3 or 4 bedrooms, with the proximity to downtown location, you're getting far more for your dollar than abroad. When you head over to the sales center, you're able to get a wholesale manual, and it gives you in-depth information about the area, what the units offer, and everything, especially floor plans, because that's huge. I love looking at floor plans too, just to figure out how my stuff fits, and obviously architectural photos. And then the best part is it gives you kind of a breakdown of how you can kind of work this if you want it as an investment property, because if I personally was to buy this, it would be for an investment property, not to personally live in, because you guys
guys know I have somewhere to already live.
I'm so grateful for Terry for showing me all the condos available for purchase. They're very affordable, which, well, I think they're very affordable given the location and everything in proximity to town. The view, where you're located, basically location is key. But yes, a huge thank you to Terry. And this is a progress video, so the next video that will be updated about this, the units will be done and I'll show you guys all about what's offered inside. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll check you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.